session of the parliament and all eyes are on the Vande Mataram debate expected to begin shortly. The Lok Sabha will hold a special 10-hour discussion on the legacy of Vande Mataram, and it will be Prime Minister Modi who will be leading the charge. And he will be leading the debate, opening the discussions, while the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will deliver the concluding remarks later in the day. Now, the BJP has been allotted 3 hours of the total discussion time, with 10 speakers from the BJP expected to participate. Now, the focus of the debate will be on the national song's historical significance. So let's talk about what's expected. The Prime Minister had launched the year-long celebrations on the 7th of November, emphasizing the outreach to the youth and students. He had also, remember, previously accused the Congress of dropping key stanzas of Vande Mataram and sowing the seeds of partition. So what is this entire controversy about the missing stanzas? Let's break it down for you and get you these details. Remember, the song was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Let's go back in time and see how it all started. The song was initially or originally written in the 1870s and 1880s. It became a very powerful symbol of freedom struggle. To this day, it's an emotion for the entire nation. So it is a very, very powerful song, became a symbol of our freedom struggle as well. And it was then adopted for all India use by the Congress. And this was in the early 20th century. And by 1950, this song was in fact given equal status with the national anthem. But let's talk about where the controversy really begins and where this is all going to come in, and how today it is going to be a big feature in the parliament, because it was in 1937 that the Congress Working Committee decided to use only the first 2 stanzas. Now, this is where the controversy comes in, because the later stanzas with specific religious imagery were dropped. The big question being, why was it dropped?